I missed that move, and I was kind of irritated myself. I just wasn't at the freaking computer when it happened, right? But that thing ran, bro. That was such a nice trade. And such a clean 2022 model, man. Like that was the trade of the week, man. If you took that one, that's all you
Well,
needed for the month,
well,
like for the
Joe,
for 2 months. My day was good, bro. I took the short in the morning after Papa Paulo spoke and got that move. I was a little thrown off by the PM price action, and that was probably because I was too biased, looking for more downside. But so I didn't play any moves in the PM. But overall, man, the week was good, man. Like it was a good week for me, and pretty much ended the week green, and that's all that matters, right? So no, it was a good week. The price action was insane, dude. It was all like if you were trading NQ this week, that it was like bipolar, bro. That shit was all over the place. Um, yeah,
I mean,
bro,
massive
literally,
ranges
man.
that just consolidate on both sides, or not consolidate, are
Bro,
expanding on both sides. It's
I
fucking
was
beautiful.
like, yeah, like I was expecting the retracement yesterday. I wasn't expecting to cut that deep, and I was just like taken away. And if that was the trade to take for the week, man, like that was it. I missed that move, and I was kind of irritated myself. I just wasn't at the freaking computer when it happened, right? But that thing ran, bro. That was such a nice trade. And such a clean 2022 model, man. Like that was the trade of the week, man. If you took that one, that's all you
Well,
needed for the month,
well,
like for the
Joe,
for 2 months.
I'm not sure if you saw my trades or executions today from bottom ticking the low and then doing it again on each and every retracement. But I had 3D goggles on today on the
Oh, that's
30-second
awesome, man.
chart.
You
So,
were in sync
and I
today.
made sure to post the execution so y'all could see what it was looking like. So, yeah, yesterday was the trade, and I can tell you, I didn't get it, man. I didn't. I was waiting. I just kept waiting for, and what I thought would be an anticipated reversal or a retracement, and it was
Bro,
the retracement, right?
exactly.
If you
The
were,
retracement that went, the
if,
retracement.
yeah, yeah. So I mean, I was expecting something that didn't happen yesterday, and I'm happy and grateful that today was 3D.
That's good to hear, man. I was actually just while I was listening to everybody else, I was just going through Twitter and I saw Stoic post his charts, and him and I kind of trade a lot, similar kind of things with the standard deviations and stuff too.
Oh,
So actually,
dude,
his
Stoic is the boy.
he's good, man, and actually his post actually made it make sense, right? Like seeing these things, I just wasn't putting them together. So his post actually is a really good post. If you want a good idea as far as what happened today, that his post is perfect, man. Like that's exactly how everything played out.
His
Um,
charts are lit, man. I don't trade his stuff.
yeah, dude. Kudos to him, man. Kudos to Stoic, solid dude, and his YouTube
He
is
just hit
is
10K
is great too.
followers. Y'all, if you
Yeah,
don't
man.
follow Stoic, you're missing out on some good charts. He posts some great stuff. Him and I had a one-on-one on some market structure, and I mean, he was schooling me. He was giving me some serious alpha, and I appreciate it. And I mean, I say that I'd like to think I was adding some value to the conversation as well, but he's a good trader and he knows his shit, and he's really good with structure these days, and managing order flow and establishing that higher high and then a low that's formed after that higher high, and where and how you're going to wait for a candle to print and close below that low, even to form an intermediate term high, or where and how internal range liquidity, where and how that runs and compared to the external range liquidity. So none but love, especially for Stoic. I almost called him by his real name, but I'll just call him Stoic. So I can't help it with Sabaflav. But anyway, ooh,
I mean,
based on
mine's not too hard to mess up, right? Yeah. No.
what's that?
I said mine's not too hard to mess up, bro. I mean, like it's funny. I go into these Twitter spaces and everyone's name is freaking Joe, bro. And I'm like, dude, what is what is it with? Is it just every Joe in the world a trader? I don't get it, man. But I keep it simple. Me and Taylor keep it simple,
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Always a pleasure.
y'all
What's
are
what's
only
good,
making
Taylor?
y'all
Yeah,
are
same,
OGs
same,
on
bro.
the Trader Roundup, that's for sure.
Yeah, bro. Me and Taylor have been here
We've
for a
been
long
going
time,
we've been
dude.
going
Yeah.
deep back since, I mean, we were in Hoppy's Discord back in January, and I know that's probably, I think when we started live trading together on YouTube with Taylor. Taylor would pop in from, he's Denver time, and I'm over there trading London, even pre-London, on a 30-second chart, trading 90-minute cycles on my YouTube page.
Living in Fib City.
Fib City, baby.
I mean,
Hey, the best way to see a
just
time fib is on that lower time frame, though, because you get all the inefficiencies, right?
Yeah.
So time fibs, if you're into, now I don't need a time fib. I've got like my own custom indicator that kind of lays out time pretty wild. And that's thanks to 2 Degrees, by the way. 2 Degrees is the boy. If you join Trader Roundup, you too could get my custom indicator called Time Matrix. I feel like I've kind of unlocked a little bit in the way of the x-axis with some key times. You don't have to remember the 13 cycles or the 9 cycles that are incorporated within these liquidity sweeps that happen throughout the different global sessions. But again, that's on my profile. You can just join the Discord right there if you'd like. We got a bunch of ICT traders that jump on there and do some live trading, talk analysis. It's a good time.